Now we'll discuss true or false. Skill is a characteristic of a resource. This is a false statement. Utility is a characteristic of a resource. Human-made resources are obtained directly from the nature and can be used without any processes. Natural resources are obtained directly from the nature, not human-made resources. Air, water, land, minerals, and energy are all natural resources. Yes, it's a correct statement. All of these are natural resources. The gases like oxygen and nitrogen are common resources. It's a false statement. They are ubiquitous resources. Four resources are there. First is ubiquitous resources, common resources, rare resources, and unique qualities resources as per the distribution of natural resources. Water, pasture land, etc. are common resources. It's a true statement. Coal, various minerals, crude oil, natural gas, uranium, etc. are rare resources. It's a correct statement. Cryolite is a rare mineral. False. Cryolite is not a rare mineral. It is a unique qualities resource. Those resources which are available in unlimited quantity are called non-renewable resources. No, they are renewable resources. Since they are renewable, they can be used unlimited times. They are available in unlimited quantity. The resources which are used once and cannot be renewed in the future are called non-renewable resources. Yes, it's a correct statement. The man, a creator of civilization in the world, is himself a powerful resource. Yes, it's a correct statement. Man himself is a powerful resource. Man is both the creator as well as user of the resource. It's a correct statement. Man खुद creator of the resource है and he is also the user of the resource. The process of making human a resource is called human resource development. Yes, it's a correct statement. About 39% of the total area of the earth is occupied by land. Fourth statement 29% आएगा. 29% of the earth is land, rest is ocean. The density of the population is affected by the diversity of land and climate in the world. Yes, it's a correct statement. Desert में लोग कम रहते हैं और plains में लोग ज़्यादा रहते हैं. So the density is affected by the diversity of land and climate. The desert areas have more density of population. No, they have less density of population. Man has caused deforested land to meet his needs. बहुत सारे जंगलों को मैन ने तबाह कर दिया है to meet his needs. It's a correct statement. Water is life. Yes, water is life. Seas and oceans contain fresh water. No, it's a false statement. Rivers contain fresh water. Rivers है, glaciers है, वो सब contain करते हैं fresh water, not oceans and seas. The volume of fresh water on earth is only 1.9%. It's a false statement. Around I think 2.7% था बुक में fresh water का. Hydroelectricity can be generated by constructing dams across the rivers. It's a correct statement. By constructing a dam, you can generate electricity over there. Deforestation is one of the factors for water crisis. Yes, अगर जंगल नहीं बचे तो वहाँ पे बारिश नहीं होगी, तो वाटर क्राइसिस आ जाएगी. In lithosphere, any organism interacting with another organism is a false statement. Forests provide natural habitat and food to fauna. फॉरेस्ट क्या होता है? शेल्टर होता है बहुत सारे वाइल्ड लाइफ बर्ड्स सबको, एंड इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड्स फूड टू एनिमल्स. सो इट्स अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Birds control a number of various insects by eating them. It's a correct statement. In the ecosystem, only the large organisms have a unique role. It's a false statement. All the organisms have a unique role. Because of deforestation, The existence of the terrestrial wildlife is also in danger. No. ये डिफोरेस्टेशन जंगलों में होता है तो इससे जो टेरेस्ट्रियल वाइल्ड लाइफ है वो क्यों डेंजर में होगा. Many species of trees and wildlife are either extinct or on the verge of extinction today. It's a correct statement. It is wise to use the resources without a restraint. It's a false statement. We have to use the resources with a restraint. The use of chemical fertilizers in the long run increases the quality of the soil. No, it decreases the quality of the soil. The productivity of the soil increases with excessive irrigation. False, it decreases. High yield seeds pollute the soils and the sources of water. It's a false statement. Wildlife is essential for ecological equilibrium. Yes, to maintain balance, wildlife is important. It's a correct statement. Vegetables can be grown by using the use water from the house water for किचन गार्डनिंग. जो हमने पानी इस्तेमाल कर लिया घर में वो फिर गार्डन में इस्तेमाल कर सके. सो इट्स अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट.